So welcome back to yet another video, guys, and today's video is pretty exciting because we are starting to put back the Firebird. So today's goal is to clean up the frame, give it a little shine up, and then we're gonna throw it back onto the car, and we might even come as far as putting the fenders and hood on and stuff and see the car as a whole again. So I'm really stoked about that. So today's video I think is gonna be real good. So don't forget to drop a like and a comment down below if you guys enjoy these videos, and let's jump straight to it. So look at all the room we suddenly have in here. So first project is clean up under the Firebird because a lot of things got like storage or stash underneath it. So I'm gonna remove all this and then we should be able to start lining up the frame and stuff.
Wasn't nothing that you did or didn't do. Just always had a hard time with the truth. I know you wanted to believe me, wanted me to be the one. I love you come so easy, the way it rolls right off the tongue. No, I never meant to make you play the fool. You know I got a hard time with the truth. If I'm being honest,
what we've done to the frame now is basically we washed it down, wiped it over with a few rags, and then I also went ahead and grinded down a few spots where the paint been wearing off, which it does, when you're lifting the engine in and out, the engine mounts get scratched a little bit. I don't know, there's two places on the frames where the tire's been rubbing, stuff like that. So I just took the wire wheel, ran it down, and give it some nice fresh paint a few places, and then we should be good. Then we're ready to throw it under the car over here. There's only one thing I want to do over here before we throw it under the car. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to film that. I'm just going to go over here a few places. Also, real quick grind down and give it some paint. And then we should be good. So guys, we got everything prepped and ready to put on the frame now. So it's now time to put on the frame. So it came out real damn nice. Just grinded down like the worst spots and gave it a real good clean. The same with the firewall and the first part of the underbody right here where the frame goes. So now we're ready. So what I'm gonna do this time installing the subframe, we're gonna use solid mount bushings.
It's easier to lie.
Let's just get this baby on the car, shall we? Woo! I'm so hyped. I missed driving this car so much. You have no idea. I was looking at an old video yesterday of it sliding around and me sitting and laughing in the driver's seat, and your boy got sad, okay? Damn.
The river's just too much to live up to. Yeah, somewhere deep inside you always knew. Just always had a hard time with the truth.
So we got the frame on and everything buttoned up, all the wires are connected again, and pretty much the only thing we have to do is throw in the engine, so it should be good. Yeah. So next video, of course, we're gonna finish up the engine, gonna get the last gaskets installed, getting it painted and all that stuff, and then we're gonna throw it into the frame and might have our first test start. I don't know, who knows? We don't have a fuel tank, fuel cell yet, and I still don't know if I'm gonna use the old fuel tank. My budget is tight as hell, so it's literally small things like that. So yeah, my budget is tight as hell, so we might have to just run the old tank for the first few events. I don't know. Then of course, when everything is said and done, we're gonna get the fenders, the hood on, and basically put the new wheels on. Yes, we got new wheels for this bad boy, and they are pretty sick. I can say the dimensions, and then maybe you can guess the wheel. 16 by 9 with an offset -24. Yes, we're going with 16 inches. Yes, very strange size, but I want to try it out, and I think it's going to look really cool. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. I'm so hyped that the car is starting to go back together. That's the best part about a build, is when it starts to become a car again. It's so good, and I missed driving this car so much, so incredible much.